building the wing, or half of the wing. I've got the center section already done. I've already finished up the rudder, stabilizer, elevator. The kit comes with a ton of wood. I mean, there are 1,000 parts and pieces to be assembled. And this is what we're working on. It's the Cessna 81-inch. I've cut the flaps off. I'm going to build this differently than it shows in the instructions. Got the sheeting made up. Here it is here. This is for the center section and the 4 pieces for the wing. So that's going along quite well. So I'm making some changes in the construction. I'm going to go ahead and sheet these 3 pieces and then put them together. And then to reinforce the dihedral joints, I'm going to put some cloth around them, maybe 2 inches of cloth. And that'll also reinforce the wing where it meets the fuselage.